The Meaco Arete is the perfect dehumidifier to dry your washing, using its low energy, smart laundry function. Save money and time with the Meaco Arete 1.
So many people are looking for ways to avoid using the tumble dryer and to save money during the cost of living crisis. Tumble dryers cost a huge amount of money to run, so it's only right that you should look for different ways to dry your washing. What you need to do is take your Meaco dehumidifier. That will extract the moisture out of the air. It goes into the tank and controls the whole problem. Position your clothes area and then set up your Meaco dehumidifier so that it's end on to the area. This way, the clothes will dry faster. Then what I would do is halfway through the dry, I turn it around to continue the process from the other side. I would expect these clothes to dry in a maximum of 6 hours. The smaller the room, the faster the clothes will dry. This is an incredibly cheap way to dry your clothes efficiently and quickly without having to spend a huge amount of money. And it's also softer on the clothes, as opposed to that harsh heat that you get from the tumble dryer. All round a winner that looks after your clothes, looks after your house, and looks after your wallet. Let us know how you get on social media and send us details of how quickly you can dry your clothes. And let's start saving money together.